Maybe a lot of people still don't know that Veo 3.1 can now make videos with longer duration. You can even make videos up to 1 minute or even 10 minutes long if you've got the points. So let's jump right in and learn how to make a long duration video using Veo 3.1. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to keep creating cool content for you guys. Before we make the video, we first need to create the command or the prompt. For example, here I already have a prompt ready for us to use. This time, I'm going to try making a short film with 8 scenes. Since one scene in Veo 3.1 lasts around 8 seconds, we'll make 8 scenes so the total duration reaches about 1 minute. You can see here, I've already written a command. I've made the title for the story I want to create. You can read it here. Then, you can also fill in the video style section. Don't forget to set that. After that, there are some settings or commands you can read here too, guys. If you want to use this prompt later, you can check the description box. I'll include the prompt there so you can try using it yourself. Once that's done, we just send it right away. Then, ChatGPT will create a story based on the prompt we made, like this. As you can see here, at the beginning, it already generated several characters. There are 3 characters. The first one is Captain Arya, then Dr. Elias, and finally, Nova. We'll use these characters in the first scene. Next, it lists the prompts for each scene. There are 8 in total, just like we asked. Later, we'll use each scene prompt to turn it into a story or a short film. Let's just wait until the prompt generation is done. Once it's done, we'll go to the AI tool, Veo 3.1. We'll use a site called Google Labs. There are actually several tools you can use here, but I'll focus on one AI tool called Google Flow. Let's go ahead and click Open Flow. Once you do that, you'll see a screen like this. Just enter whatever command you want to use. For free users, you'll get 100 free credits per month, and they reset every month. But since we're using the Pro version of Google AI, we get 1,000 free credits, guys. So how do we make a long-duration film here? First, click on New Project. This is what a new project in Google Flow looks like. In the latest update, you can even make images using the Nano Banana model. But since we're focusing on making a film, we'll go to the Video section. Here, you'll see several options. For example, there's text to video, frame to video, material to video, and even image generation. Since we only have a text to video prompt, we'll choose the first one. Then, we can take the prompt. First, copy the top part. After that, just paste it here, leave some space, then copy the character section. Paste it here, then scroll down. Now we'll take the first scene. Copy everything from the beginning to the end of the first scene, then paste it below. So this prompt includes the characters, the genre, and the video style. Before generating it, there are a few settings you can check out. For aspect ratio, there are 2 options, landscape and portrait. In this example, I'll just use landscape. For output, I'll set it to generate 1 video. For the model, there are several choices. Veo 3.1 fast and quality, and Veo 2 fast and quality. To save points or credits, we'll use Veo 3.1 fast. Then, just click Send at the bottom. The video will start processing right away, and you just have to wait for it to finish. Now the first scene is done. This is the first 8-second scene. So how do we make it longer? If you look at the bottom left, there's a new feature in Google Flow that lets you add more scenes using a command here. For smartphone users, you can switch to desktop mode since this feature only appears on the desktop or laptop version. For example, let's click on Add Scene. You'll see a simple new interface like this. On the side, there's an Add Scene button. Click that, then select Extend Video. Once that's done, take your second scene prompt, copy it, and paste it here. Then just send it. The video will start processing again here, just wait for it to finish. We'll repeat this process until we finish making all 8 scenes. Now I've finished turning several scenes into one complete story. I've made about 8 scenes, and all of them are connected to the storyline we set up earlier. In some scenes, the characters might look a bit different. For example, in one scene the character has fair skin, but in another scene she appears as a dark-skinned woman. If that happens, you can easily fix it. How? Just click on the Set section, then choose which scene you want to replace. For example, let's say we want to fix the second scene. If the second scene is blank, we can fix it by going back to the first scene or before the third one since the second one is missing. Then click Add and choose Extend. That will create a slot for the second scene where you can input the command or prompt again. For example, we'll copy the prompt for the second scene and send it here. It'll then be processed as the second scene. If you find parts of a scene that aren't important, you can trim them out. For instance, if the first scene feels too long, just click the edge like this and trim the part you want to keep. You can do the same for the rest of the scenes until the last one. For the video I generated this time, there are still quite a few flaws. For example, some of the audio doesn't match the visuals in the next scenes. You can edit and adjust them just like I showed you earlier. And the final result of the whole video, you can check it out in the next video.
Captain, gravitational anomalies are intensifying.
Unregistered vessel?
No life signs, but the core's active.
Unidentified energy signatures detected. Recommend caution.
Caution's never saved anyone, Nova.
It's alive.
Shut it down now!
Your vitals are unstable. Then I'll stabilize the universe.
Aria! You'll be torn apart!
Or reborn.
Captain, your mind transcends space-time.
Then maybe I can fix what we broke. What did you see?
Everything.
Here's the tutorial video. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support me because I really need your support. See you in my next video.